Hi, welcome to the Festival on the Farm vlog. My first ever Festival on the Farm vlog, and possibly my last. So my intention for this particular vlog is to follow the adventures of myself, my brother James, and my friend Dave and Donna Redshaw as we travel to the village of Purton for the Festival on the Farm. So here we are at Festival on the Farm. Donna's doing the bacon rolls, sheltering from the rain. Dave's already got his. How are you finding the festival experience thus far?
Wet,
Yeah, but enjoyable nonetheless?
but warm.
Yeah, it's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we're a few hours away from the band starting, so we've got time to warm up with a few bevies. Dave's lining his stomach first.
Standard fare
Cheers.
at a festival.
It's Friday afternoon, we're just having a little stroll down to the lavatories. That's a nice bit of kit. Some people have got modest accommodation, such as this person here. And then you've got some people who've got dual camper vans over there. So it's there's people from all walks of life. Some affluent, some peasants. Cheers.
We're on the road to nowhere. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie,
zombie. Welcome back to the Festival on the Farm vlog. Joined here now by Monsieur Redshaw. Beautiful evening. We've seen a couple of bands already. Just got back to the campsite to top up with essential supplies, and now we're going to go back into the venue to watch Total Eclipse. Welcome back to the Festival on the Farm vlog. James and Dave and Donna arrived here around 10 in the morning, set up our camp, so I've got here to find that my tent had been rather wonderfully erected by James and the Redshaws. And yeah, since then there's been much merriment. Been a bit of a rush from me. I've not been able to prepare adequately for this festival as well as I'd liked, which has led to me forgetting to bring the pump for my tent. Much hilarity ensued there. Dave managed to borrow a pump from one of our neighbouring campers, so I'm grateful to him for managing to source that and to pump the tent up. I've then arrived and looked to borrow a pump for my airbed, as I didn't have a pump for that, and Carla, rather gratefully I am to her for lending me that pump, but I then realised that I didn't have a bung for the hole, so I wasn't unable to pump it up. So this is why you're seeing me at this angle, because I'm laid flat on the ground. Unfortunate, but again a source of much amusement for my fellow campmates. Anyway, I've had a few beers with the boys, buzzing, looking forward to tomorrow. I'm going to get some kip. I'll see you in the morning. Hi, welcome back to the Watch It. No, it's not Watch It, is it? Where are we? Festival on the Farm vlog. Join me here now. Day 2 is our campmates. Day 1 successful. Looking forward to day 2. Already got the beers in. Got to go and see me mum now because it's her birthday, and then we'll be back here later.
Getting a bit wet, Dave. Everyone's just cowering from the rain. Umbrellas going up urgently.
I wanted you to come down because of the band, not because of the room.
We're halfway there. Whoa, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Whoa, living on a prayer. Can I remember when we used to sing in the government yard in Trenchtown? I'm observing the hypocrites as they would mingle with the people they would meet. Drinking whiskey, man, singing this will be the day that I die. Singing this will be the day that I die.
And here they are, festival goers in their natural habitat. Hi, an update on the Festival on the Farm vlog. We've had a few casualties. Jimmy and Carly have had to go home, and James and the video vlog originator has fallen foul to the plague, which is a sore, poorly head. Update soon. Hi, update on the Festival on the Farm vlog. When the Chaz and Dave tribute act come on, we have chosen to remove ourselves from the festival because we're all a bit tired and we've got work tomorrow. Oh no, I haven't, but they have. See you later. Bye.